Hello friends, we are doing an unboxing here for a weighted jumping rope which we recently bought it from Aliexpress. I will put you the link below so you will see some more information about this product. It's a really good product and it's really helping more if you want to lose some weight and gain more strength at your body. In the website you will see four types. This is the 700 grams type. Also there is 500, 1 kilo and 1.5 kilo. As you can see, it's a really thick one and really good handle. I will put maybe some pictures how you can shorten if you want, because you have to shorten them. So let's also open this one. It's really difficult to make it with one hand, but there we have three here. Okay. Yeah, you should cut it that one. Yep. So it's really firm plastic and the handle are quite soft for the hand, as you can see. From here, if I'm not mistaken, you can open it. As you can see, you can open the handle from here, and from here you can unscrew, cut from this plastic, and you can shorten it if you want, and then screw it back and put back the handle, and like that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and enjoy my channel as well. Bye. So I was saying there are four kind of jump ropes. The 70 grams, this one which is 700 grams, 1 kilo, 1 and 1.5 kilo. But as I was saying, for the beginners it's better to use like a 700 grams, not straightly jump on the 1 kilo or 1.5 kilo, because it's really heavy to jump with it. And for the moment, as I opened it, it's like this, but it will straighten up. And one more thing, the length of the jump rope is 2.5 meters, so it's suitable also for taller persons like me, and also for the smaller persons or not that tall persons. Okay, let's try a few. Let's see. Another recommendation is not to do straight on the wooden floor, because it will make some really bad noise. It's better on a mat, like really good material mat, or like linoleum. Maybe you can try on that one. So let's do a few. Let's see how it's working.